case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, the Arizona Supreme Court heard the case of Demasse v. ITT Corp., which centered around the issue of whether an employer can change the terms of an employment contract without the employee's agreement and something valuable given in exchange. The case involved 6 hourly workers at ITT Corporation who sued their employer for breaching the seniority layoff provision in their employee handbook. They had relied on this provision, believing they would not be laid off before less senior employees. The court initially found that the handbook disclaimer was not clear enough to prevent the formation of an implied-in-fact contract, so the seniority layoff provision was enforceable. However, when ITT modified the handbook in 1989 to allow unilateral changes, any subsequent changes became valid. In 1993, ITT distributed a revised layoff policy that removed seniority rights and stated that it superseded previous handbooks, effectively revising the employment contract. Despite this, the Arizona Supreme Court ultimately held that an employer could not change or cancel the terms of an implied-in-fact contract through a one-sided handbook, requiring mutual agreement and consideration for any modifications. The court also clarified that ITT's complaint procedure did not apply to termination grievances, and employees were not obligated to exhaust this process before suing for breach of contract.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.